Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, providing you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The ASX is expected to start the week on a positive note following a Wall Street rally on Friday. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 59 points or 0.8% higher this morning. Last week, the ASX enjoyed its strongest performance in more than 12 months, despite the backdrop of the Russia-Ukraine war. Friday was another strong day for the ASX. The best performing sector was energy, up 2.2%, and the worst performing sector was consumer discretionary, down by 0.8%. The best performing stock in the S&P ASX 200 was Liontown Resources, closing 7.8% higher at $1.66 per share. It was followed by shares in Block and also Paladin Energy. The worst performing stock in the S&P ASX 200 on Friday was Megaport, closing 8.1% lower at $13 a share. It was followed by shares in Abacus Property Group and also Mesoblast. As for the US market, Wall Street experienced a Friday rally. The Dow Jones rose 0.8%, the S&P 500 surged 1.2%, and the Nasdaq ended up 2.1% higher. European markets experienced marginal gains. London's FTSE 100 rose by 0.26%, the French CAC 40 rose by 0.12%, the German DAX climbed 0.17%, and the Stock 600 rose by 0.91%. Asian markets were mixed on Friday after witnessing huge growth on Thursday. Japan's Nikkei rose by 0.65%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped by 0.41%, and China's Shanghai Composite saw the biggest gain, increasing by 1.12%. All right, time now for a quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, commodities and the world of crypto. Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV. Welcome back to the Morning Outlook on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar enjoyed continuous gains through last week. On March 14, one Aussie dollar was trading at 72.9 US cents, but finished the week at 74.05 US cents. Oil prices settled higher on Friday, but posted a second straight weekly loss after a volatile trading week with no easy replacement for Russian barrels in a tight market. Brent crude futures settled up by 1.2% to trade at $107.93 a barrel, and WTI crude futures settled up by 1.7% to finish at $104.70 a barrel. Despite the ongoing conflict in Europe, gold dipped on Friday. Spot gold fell by 1.2% to $1,919.36 an ounce, and US gold futures fell 0.33% to $1,928.20 an ounce. And lastly, the two big players in the crypto market have had a difficult 24 hours. At the time of writing, Bitcoin dropped by 1.84% to trade just over $41,000, and Ethereum lost 2.38% to trade just over $2,800 per token. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market capitalization has dropped by 2.16% and is worth approximately $1.87 trillion. All right, well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.